What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a challenge, a hard challenge with Rubik's Cubes. So this challenge is this. Say I solve this cube. I just solved this cube. Then I get to do one move on this, and it's like all mixed up. It's all mixed up like this. All mixed up like this. Then I get, so I solve this, I get one move, that. Then I just solve this one. I get to do another move. 2 moves, got that. It also has to be in one sitting. So, I'm not allowed to stand up, go to the bathroom, eat, drink, anything like that. I can't stay here and do something else. I have to do this the whole time, maybe like 10-second breaks, but not like 1 minute. That's against the rules. Okay, Mama, this is the most important step of the whole video. This is 2 by 2 minutes. Okay? You better do a good job. Oh yeah, and also, guys, we have a timer here for the thing, stopwatch. I'm not turning it. Mom, if you see me turning it, make sure to tell the camera. Okay, I'm gonna inspect while she's mixing up the other 3 cubes. I'm gonna pass all 3. Okay, while she's mixing those up, I'm gonna try to plan my first move. So, I think I'm gonna go to that move. No, definitely that. I'm not allowed to stand up this one.
Oh, you're not? Really good. Here you go.
You're gonna have to stay here.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to stand up doing this. Okay, I'm gonna start out with my favorite cube. Okay, guys, I finally got the first layer, whole first layer done. So now I just gotta move on to this. I need a piece of wood for this. Okay. Okay, guys, I am down to my last 3. I'm happy. But my fingers are tired. Last cube! Look, I have 1 more move to go. 1 more move. I'm so excited. mix this up. Actually, this one's better because last cube. I really need to go to the bathroom, so I'm done. Yes. Next.